I'll do one problem from the topic profit and loss. I have taken this question from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question they asked during the year of 2018 in SSC CGL Tier 2 CBE examination. Four options are also given in this problem. We have to solve the problem and find out the correct answer. In my previous video, I have explained what is profit and what is loss also. If SP is greater than CP, then he will get profit. If SP is less than CP, then he has to lose his money. Okay, he will get loss. That is the concept. In this question, cost price is not given. What he is telling no? If a stall sells a pizza at rupees 200, he makes 20% loss. When the SP is 200 rupees, he makes 20 percentage loss. Okay, loss percentage is given. But CP is not given in this problem. He wants to make 10% profit. Then what price should he sell? That is the question. Okay. First of all, by using the SP and loss percentage, we have to find out the CP. After that, we should use that CP to find out the selling price in the next process. Okay. If SP is given and loss percentage or profit percentage is given, we have one formula. Okay, let me write that formula first. CP is equal to SP into 100 over 100 here, loss percentage, no, 100 minus loss percentage. That's all. CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percentage. Suppose in the first process is getting the profit means we have to write SP in CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. But here is making loss only. Am I right? So this is the correct formula we have to use. Okay. What is SP in the first process? 200. So 200 into 100 by loss is 20, no? 20 percentage is loss percentage. So 100 minus 20. What is the answer? 200 into 100 by 80. Okay, 0, 0, 8, 2, 8 are 16, 5 times. So 250 is cost price. Okay, in the first transaction, is making loss only. Okay, because SP is 200, but CP is 250 we got. Okay, okay. We have to find out the selling price in the second transaction. He is making profit in the second transaction. So in the second transaction, profit percentage is equal to 10%. Okay. If here we know the cost price. Am I right? We have to find out the selling price. So selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. This is the formula. What is the profit percentage here? 10. 100 plus 10 by 100. What is, this is 250 is CP we got. Okay. So, what is SP? SP is equal to 110 divided by 100 into 250. 0, 0. One more 0, this 0. 11 into 25. 275 rupees. So, selling price in the second transaction is SP is equal to rupees 275, which is the correct option. C, option C is correct. Thank you.